Hello again. I'm going to show how you can move objects and also make copies of objects, so you can duplicate an object that you want to place in multiple locations in the screen. I'm going to start off by just drawing a small rectangle, and so I placed it at the origin. Just one click, no clicking and dragging. Move the mouse pointer, click again. Now I'm going to use the push-pull tool, select that, hover over the surface of the rectangle, one click, no clicking and dragging, move it up to make a rectangle, click again, and there you have a cuboid. Now, I'm going to show how you can move the cuboid, and to do that you have to select it all. We mentioned the move tool before, but if I just say, okay, I want to move the cuboid, and you click on that and then try and move it, it just moves the edge that you select. It treats the cuboid as multiple elements. So I'm just going to escape that move and actually do a back one, because I created a bit of a slope somehow, so I just undid it till I get back to the beginning there. Now I'm going to select the pencil, the select tool, and now I have to click and drag. So I'm holding the mouse pointer down now, I'm moving the mouse, so I select the whole rectangle. Now I can go here, again not clicking and drag, click, move, and I can just move it around the screen. I'm going to escape, so it goes back to goes back to where I was. Now, one thing that's very useful is to be able to copy it. So I've got the select tool there, I'm making a click. Now I'm just pressing the control button once, and now I'm moving the mouse pointer, and it moves the object, but it leaves a sort of ghost or a copy of it where it was. And you can do that, and then I can press control again and move it. I had to select it again there. Now can you see the black dotted line? Now if I want it to be parallel to the green axis, I have to move it until that line goes green, which it has, and then I'm keeping it there. Now it's on the green axis, which means I'm moving it on a grid going directly away from the cube I copied. So now if I click again, there we are, we have it. I'm clicking again to select it to move, hitting the control button, and there we are again. Now I've got it on the red axis, and I'm moving along what you might think of as sideways, and I'm stopping when I get to the green axis there and clicking, and we've got them now on a sort of grid. I'm going to show one other feature before I end this little session, and that's what we call the orbit tool, which means you can have a look at the view, or have a look at the model you've made from different angles. So I'm just going to do that, and this is, again, I am clicking and dragging here, so you can see what I mean by getting them in a bit of a grid shape. And I'm going to leave it at that, but it's a very, very useful feature, being able to copy objects and move them around the screen.